How will the future of artificial intelligence be shaped by copyright laws? A question that seems more relevant than ever in the wake of a groundbreaking lawsuit that could change the course of AI and journalism forever. Our story begins with a partnership between tech giants OpenAI and Microsoft. Their collaboration resulted in the creation of AI-powered tools like Chatgpt and Copilot, both of which have been making waves in the tech world. Copilot in particular was met with controversy when a class action lawsuit was filed against Microsoft, GitHub, and OpenAI for copyright infringement. The allegation? Copilot used millions of lines of human-written code without proper attribution. Parallel to this, we have the New York Times, a newspaper with a rich history and a reputation for journalistic integrity. Their work has been the cornerstone of news reporting for well over a century. But now, they find themselves at the center of a legal dispute that could redefine the boundaries of journalism and AI. The New York Times has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI and Microsoft, accusing them of using its stories to train their chatbots without permission. The claim states that this practice is costing the newspaper billions of dollars and threatens their survival. Specific instances of infringement cited by the Times include the use of their articles for the training of AI models that now compete with the news outlet. The lawsuit seeks billions of dollars in statutory and actual damages and calls for the destruction of any chatbot models and training data that use copyrighted material from the Times. OpenAI has expressed surprise and disappointment at the lawsuit, restating their commitment to working with content creators. Microsoft, on the other hand, has remained silent on the matter. So, what could happen if the New York Times wins? The outcome could be a game-changer. We could see modifications or even deletions of AI models like Chatgpt. The ruling could also set a precedent for AI development and content creator rights, shaping the future of how AI interacts with copyrighted content. The lawsuit has wider implications as well. It's not just the New York Times that's concerned about copyright infringement. Other media organizations have filed similar lawsuits against OpenAI. At the same time, some companies like Axel Springer have chosen a different path, partnering with OpenAI to license content rather than resorting to legal action. In conclusion, the lawsuit filed by the New York Times against OpenAI and Microsoft is a pivotal moment in the intersection of AI and journalism. Its key points revolve around copyright infringement, the use of journalistic content without permission, and the potential financial ramifications for the newspaper. The potential impact of this lawsuit could be far-reaching, affecting the future of AI in journalism and posing new copyright challenges. The world watches with bated breath as we await the outcome of this landmark case, a decision that could change the course of AI and journalism as we know it. A decision that could answer our initial question: how will the future of artificial intelligence be shaped by copyright laws? Only time will tell.